Well, good Wednesday evening. It's about 9 o'clock. And yeah, we started getting dark around quarter after 8 now. We were staying late till quarter after 9, 9:30, and according to the paper, we've lost about 50 minutes since the middle of July, so till middle of August. So yeah, look at that. Bucket load of junk. Odds and ends of stuff. Yearly cleaning has begun. I don't think I did it last year, so yeah. I was just sitting here thinking this garage. I think we built this garage in '97, and the main part of the garage in '97. So it'll be come next year. It's going to be 30 years old. I think we moved into it in right about July. And it wasn't done. The doors weren't on. There was no electricity here. We're running on generators. I hadn't got my pole in. Mosquitoes everywhere. So, kind of, oh yeah, while I was cleaning, I took this brake lever, and the button's loose. Pretty loose. I had it looser a minute ago. But I got to take it apart because I want to save the upper half for emergency brakes. So if I ever build another hot rod, I always wanted one of these handles beside the shifter. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. Kind of got the back room better. I don't know if any of the other videos I put up, you can see what I had a mess in here. And so I've done some purging. Got to do a little more. That's kind of the all good stuff in the corner. There's Fisher plow parts and some old manuals and a little bit of everything. Oh, there, that's where I left that. So yeah, trying to get things organized, cleaned up a little bit. I got a bunch of metal to move out of. I'm going to junk out my junkyard, except for a few things. I sold some cars, trucks, parts, hoods, cabs. Got a box for sale. But yeah, not much. Just kind of rambling on here tonight. I haven't put up the video, and I've been saying I'm going to put up video up every few days, and I haven't. I kind of got is this the side, or is it the other side? So I scored I'd have to flop it around where you can see it. But when I get it flopped around, I'll show you. It's a hard top cover for F250 crew cab short box, and it's came from the factory. It's a Ford. It has Ford written on the back of it. Thought it was pretty cool. The guy who had it didn't want it. He wanted a soft top roll up because he has a gooseneck on his. And yeah, I'm going to put that one on the blue Super Duty. It already has a tonneau cover on it, but I'll put the hard cover on it, give it a little more weight. I got a set of airbags going in the front to help out with the plowing. This one doesn't need any help. This thing sits up really nice. This is going up to, I don't have time, and still with my shoulder, I'm not going to get under and wrestle stuff right now. So I'm going to have the harness put on it and the wiring harness, or at least the harness. I can do the wiring harness, but if it goes up to the Fisher dealer, I'll have them do it all. I still have to clean my other room. Oh, don't look. Oh, it's a mess. This has always been the cold storage room, but it stays warm in here. It never really freezes, but yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's a couple 3. Hey, wow. Well, we're just talking here. I don't think I got some 06 Mustang wheels, nice ones. So that I picked up. I think I talked about it, but lower mileage 302, the guy's going in a different direction. I got a 302 over there that's a rebuilt 302. And then the guy took it out of the truck because the frame broke on the truck. So I put it on, that's how I got it. I put the valve covers on it and new carburetor and stuff, distributor. So I've had it run, it runs great. I got to get it in something. I'm going to put this in the Model A, this one. I got a 289 out of a 2+2 Mustang 66. It's got the large oil pan on it. It came factory 4-barrel intake from the Ford and double pumper 650 Holly. Oh, that got knocked off again. The wind got in here. This is a early 70s, 70, 71, 351 Windsor. Had bad cam bearing. And actually it didn't have bad cam bearing. It had a bad lifter, and which when the guy pulled the cam out of it, he thought it was a cam, put a new cam in it. And I can't remember the details on it, but he chipped some of the cam bearings. So I got new cam bearings, I got a new cam bearing tool, but I'm going to take it apart, roll it over, put new cam bearings in it, and put it back together. But I bought that originally in the motor that came out of a hot rod. Guy had a Ford in it and then switched it over to Chevrolet, and I bought the motor out of it. So 351. And it's got, I can't remember the pistons in it, but I scoped it. It's got nice pistons and everything in it. So I sold it, I got it back. What else I got? 5-speed, 95 Ford, toughest 5-speed you'll ever get to put in a hot rod or a rat rod. T5, world class out of a Chevy, 5-speed that's going in the rat rod, like my old bicycle. So yeah, I got to clean this place up. I got to go through and do a little organization, and this is a lot of garbage that's just been collecting, and it's going. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I rambled on for 7 minutes, kept you guys busy for 7. Look at that moon tonight. I don't know if you can see it or not. It rained hard here today, real hard. I've been on the road for 2 days, and then today I had to run errands, and while we're running errands, the water came in the building. It does in the winter, in the spring, for just a little bit. If we get a hard rain when there's still snow on the ground, but that's the first time we've had water in here in the summer. So, yep, there we are. So that's where I am. That's what I've been doing today. A little more cleaning and get back on doing some hot rod stuff. I'm gonna do something. I got some work to do next week with the excavator for a friend of mine. So I'm going to be on the excavator for a couple days cleaning up some property for him. So if I think of it, I'll shoot some if I get time. I don't know. I have to see if he let me shoot some video on his property or not. So we'll see. Okay. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the comments. Everybody's doing great. I watch all the videos. And yeah, we'll catch you on the flip side, and see you soon.